Welcome back guys to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you about OpenShell. OpenShell is a fork of Classsic Shell which was discontinued in 2017. Classsic Shell and OpenShell does the same thing. They just customize your start menu. So let's get into it. You'll download the file. In the description down below I'll have OpenShell and Classsic Shell in the description. After you download the executable, open your File Explorer, head to Downloads, then double-click OpenShell. No need for administrative prompts, you can just continue. Then you accept Terms and License Agreement. Next, and then just click Next and Install. You will click Yes. And there you go. You have finished OpenShell Wizard. To get OpenShell or to open the menu to customize OpenShell, it's really simple. Click the Start menu. Do not press the Windows key. It does not do the same thing. Open the Windows Start menu using your mouse, and you should get this window of settings of OpenShell menu and your version. My version by the time of recording is 4.4.191. Really simple. So at the Start menu styles, you can choose between three styles. You can get Classic style, which looks like this. So this style. You can choose Classic with 2 columns, and it would give a more Windows XP-like style, and a Windows 7-like style, like this. These are different. Substantially, actually not that substantially, but yeah, you get the point. I'll be sticking to the Windows 7 style. And you can also replace your Start button by clicking Replace Start button, and it will replace your Start button. So I could get the Classic, this, to get this style. It looks really dumb with this, but yeah, I could replace it, but not. Let's go to Basic Settings, which you can adjust everything. Left click opens OpenShell. You can also left click opens Windows Start menu. So instead of overriding the Windows Start menu, it will pop up with the Windows Start menu. Shift click opens Windows. Hold Shift. No, if I hold Shift and then click the Start menu, it just opens the Start menu. And there's other stuff like Windows key opens Shell menu, stuff like that. Shift Windows opens Windows Start menu. All program style inside main menu. You can adjust all this. Go to, you can adjust your skin. You can download your own skins. So you can get Classic skin, which looks like this, the more Windows 9X style, I shall say. Immersive, which looks like this, kind of like it just blends into Windows 10 more. But yeah, you can get metallic. Well, oh god, I don't know why, but this reminds me of the old iTunes. So yeah, metallic. This is Metro, which is the more Windows 10, Windows 8 style design. Then we get Midnight, which, oh, that is not looking good. Alright, Midnight, and then Windows 8, which is Windows 8. And then you can go to the last one, Windows Aero. And this is where you can get like some transparency and stuff. You can see a bit through. It's not the best at transparency, but yeah, you get it. I'll stick to, well, I'll just select Windows 8. I'm good enough with that. Taskbar, you can adjust the taskbar also, but yeah, you can do that on your own. And you can customize the start menu. So you can customize what shows up on this side of the start menu. If you click show all settings, it will show all the settings you can customize, which is slightly overwhelming. You can get Windows 10 settings and stuff like that. It is quite overwhelming. and quite a lot of stuff you can customize. So yeah, this is OpenShell. It's really simple, it's free. So yeah, it's really nice, and it's really to uninstall also. There's no like so sad like so sad we're gonna miss you or stuff like that. It just uninstalls, it uninstalls. Nothing of that kind. So that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.